Hello, everyone. Dear listeners all over the world, dear subscribers, dear friends, dear students, dear clients all around the world. My name is Adetokunbo Mike from the Genius FS. I'm here again with another educational video on Forex. As you know that the aims of this channel is to build life to taste, to help beginners, intermediate and professionals to have good experience in Forex on how to trade the large financial market. I'm here again with another video. On this episode, I'll be teaching you a strategy that works perfectly on higher time frame only, 4-hour time frame, daily, and 1-hour time frame maybe, but it works perfectly on 4-hour time frame. Here again, a good strategy whereby a positioning trader can use to trade in the financial market. Firstly, before anything, let me share with you the settings. You go to your F sign, you click your F sign. We use double envelope. The first envelope, period is 100, shift is 4, deviation is 1.010. Method is simple. You apply to close, to low, then levels. Minus is 0.1, minus is 0.15, minus is 0.2, minus is 0.25, minus is 0.3, minus is 0.35, minus is 0.4, minus is 0.45. Then you go again, is 0.1, is 0.15, and so on. Then you click done, any color of your choice, but make sure the color is lighter at the level perspective. Secondly, you go to your second envelope. Period is 110, shift is 0, deviation is 0.060. Method is simple. You apply to low as well. You click done, any color of your choice. Parabolic, step is 0.09, maximum is 0.09, any color of your choice. You click done. Second parabolic, step is 0.082, maximum is 0.0082. You click done, any color of your choice. Stochastic oscillator, K percent is 1000, D percent is 100, slowing is 2, price feed is close/close. Method is exponential. Then levels 90, 85, 5 and 10. You click done. Guys, this is how your chart will looks like. This is how your chart will looks like. Firstly, let me show you the crossover from here and here. As you can see, parabolic change direction from up to down. Also, the red line cross the blue line and the move begins. Guys, this is a long time entry, a long time plan, a long time entry. Once you enter and you realize that your stochastic oscillator, the one in red line, is above the blue line, you continue to hold. As you can see, around this place, about to cross the blue line, but it has not crossed yet. That is why market is still at the top here. Except the market drop down, hit the parabolic and continue, you cannot enter this trade. Now let me show you how to use it to buy and sell in the financial market. As you can see, it is very clear. Look at the cross here. The red parabolic, the red stochastic cross the blue line, and then parabolic change direction from up to down. Guys, let me tell you, do not do anything inside this envelope. Do not do anything. You allow your parabolic to change direction, and again, the parabolic changing direction, the valid one is the one that changes outside the envelope. Let me show you. I'm going to tell you how it is going to be useful, that you are not going to be entering fixed signal. Look at it from here. Parabolic change direction outside the envelope. That is the valid entry. That is the valid entry. Let me show you another one here. This one is a very short sell, short buy here. Parabolic change direction outside the envelope. Kindly note it. If your parabolic did not change direction outside the envelope, definitely the entry is invalid. Parabolic change direction outside the envelope. Let me show you another one. This is another one here. Parabolic change direction outside the envelope. As you can see, parabolic change direction outside the envelope. The valid one is when parabolic change direction outside. Let me show you fixed signal. Here is fixed signal. Parabolic change direction inside. Parabolic change direction inside. You do not take that trade for any reason. Look at this one as well. Parabolic change direction inside the envelope. You do not take the trade. Let me show you a valid entry. This is a valid entry. When parabolic change direction outside the envelope. Another valid entry. Parabolic change direction outside the envelope, but a little bit inside. So watch very well before you take that trade. So let me now show you how to use it to buy and sell properly. Now, whenever you realize that your stochastic has changed direction from up to down, I told you guys, if you are watching my video for the first time, I always said it that parabolic is very important on my chart because it shows me, it tells me when price action change direction, when trend change directions. So whenever your parabolic change direction from up to down, you watch your stochastic level, your stochastic K percent and D percent. K percent has already crossed D percent. Then price action has already hit the parabolic while going up. Then you enter your trade from here and continue to ride the trade. You continue to ride your trade. Let me show you sell opportunity. As you can see, this is a signal, but it's a very short entry. Once you realize that your market price action has entered back inside the envelope, please exit the trade. Let me show you sell entry. This is a very good sell entry. Parabolic change direction from down to up. Then your stochastic level K percent has already crossed D percent. Then you enter your market from here and you continue to ride the trade. You put your stop loss at the back of this envelope or at the back of this parabolic, and you continue to ride the trade as long as you can see. Once you realize that your price action has entered inside this envelope, guys, you exit that trade immediately. This is a long time entry, a long time trading plan. Parabolic change direction from up to down, you enter your position, is a valid entry because price action hit the parabolic outside the envelope. Then you ride the trade. Guys, this is 4 hours. This is 4 hours. As you can see, this very entry here can give you 400 pips, can give you 300 pips. Do not be greedy. Do not be greedy. This is another sell opportunity. This is another sell opportunity. Parabolic change direction from down to up. Then your K percent is inside the blue already. You take the trade from here. You take the trade from here, then you continue to ride the trade. Look at another signal here. This is another sell signal. Parabolic change direction from down to up. Then your K percent has already crossed the percent. You continue to ride the trade when you enter the position. I told you, whenever you are using 4 hours, it takes time for you to make profit because it is 4 hours. Candles form, each candles form every 4 hours. This strategy is not for scalping. It is useful only on higher time frame for people that they do not like sitting down with their system or checking their phone every minute. This strategy is useful for positioning trader only, investors, those that they can enter trade now and leave it for a month or for 2 weeks, because 4-hour candle, 6 candle forms in a day, that is to say 30 candle forms in a week. So it is just a gradual processing, long-term trading strategy. Let me show you another asset. Let me show you USJPY. Yeah, look at USJPY here. Parabolic change direction from down to up. The valid entry, because parabolic change direction outside the envelope. Look at it. There is a crossover of stochastic K%, crossover D%, and then the movement begins. You enter your trade from here, then you continue to ride your trade. Look at how long it is. Look at how long it is. As far as I'm concerned, this strategy is a banger. Let me show you another buy opportunity. Parabolic change direction from up to down. Then your stochastic, the red line is up, is above the blue line already. Actually, it is overbought zone, but the move started and then the market continues to go in your direction. Look at it. It's a very long time trade strategy. Look at it. Overall market is up. Overall market is up until there is a crossover. You don't do anything until there is a crossover. You continue to ride this trade towards up until there is a crossover here. And guys, don't not do anything inside the envelope. Like I always said, this is another sell opportunity. Here, parabolic change direction from down to up. There is crossover within the envelope. You enter your trade from here and you continue to ride. Your stochastic level is already below K%. Your D% line is already below K% line. Now look at another buy opportunity. This is another buy opportunity. Parabolic change direction from up to down. Then you take your trade from here. You continue to ride your trade. As long as price action is above this envelope, you continue to ride your trade. You don't need to know what candle forms. Guys, I always said it. You don't need to know what candle forms. I do tell my students. That is why I always put my chart to the last zoom level. I always zoom it out to the last zoom level 1, because I am not a candle pattern trader. I don't need to know what candle forms. All what I need is to know where to enter and where to exit my trade. So candle pattern do zoom out their chart in such a way, but I am a technical analysis trader, a strategy provider, a strategy trader. So I always love zooming my chart to the last zoom out. Now let me show you another signal. Here's another signal, a very correct one. Parabolic change direction from up to down. Then there's a crossover here. Stochastic also is above the blue line, is already overbought. So I can take this trade and continue to ride the trade. As you can see, look at how long as the trade is. This is how long the trade is. Overall market is up. Overall market is up because all price action did not touch the envelope. Look at it. It was a very strong uptrend. If you can see, a very, very, very strong uptrend. Look at it. So that is that. Let me show you another asset. This is another asset. Parabolic change direction from down to up. Stochastic has already also changed direction. Red line has already crossed the blue line. You enter your trade and you continue to ride your trade as long as you can see. Once you realize that your price action has entered back inside this envelope, you can try to exit or you hold on until about to cross, but it's not advisable. Look at it here. This is an uptrend here. This is an uptrend. This is a downtrend. Like I explained. Let me show you another asset. Look at it here. This is a very clear uptrend. Parabolic change direction from up to down. Then stochastic has already crossed. Red cross the blue. Then you continue to ride your trade. You enter your position from here. Overall market is up. Overall market is up. Guys, like I said, I told you this strategy works best on higher time frame. It is a positioning trading strategy. Do not use it on lower time frame. It will not work. Do not use it on 15 minutes or 5 minutes or 30 minutes. Even 1 hour, it will not work. It has been tested and then okay on higher time frame, daily time frame, 4-hour time frame. As you can see, that is how it works. Thanks for watching my video. If you know that this video has done you good in one way or the other, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you real good.